Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, if you could please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps the channel out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 54. If we start with this row, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 5. I don't see any help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 2 here. So 5, 8, and 8 here. So 2, 5, and no help here. 2, 5, 8. If we look at this box, we're missing 2, 4, 5, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, and a 5 here. So this is our 4. 2 and 8 here, so this is our 5. I don't see any other help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this top row, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 has to be here. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. For this box now, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got 7s covering these two boxes. I don't see any other help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. That means our 7 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. And I don't see any help. So 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, 8, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so 5, 8. 1 and 5 here, so 8, 9. 5 and 8 here, so 1, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 3, 9. 1 and 8 here, so 3, 9. 9 here, so 1, 3, 8. That means the only place our 8 can be in this box is here. For this column, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this box now, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 5 here and a 9 here, so this is our 6. I don't see any other help. So 5, 9, 5, 9. Oh. This 5 here makes this our 1, 5. That 5 makes this our 8, 9, 1. Now we can get rid of this 1. But the 6 makes this our 3, 6, and that 3 makes this our 9, 3. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. We can get rid of this 2. For this column here, we're missing a 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 4, 2 here, so 4, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, 5, and 7. We've got 2, 4, and 7 here, so that means this is our 5. 7 here, so 2, 4. And if we look, then the only place our 7 can be is here. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, 8, and 9. We've got 3, 8, and 9 here, so this is our 2. 3 here, so 8, 9, and no help here, 3, 8, 9. But now this 2 makes this our 4, 2. That 2 makes this our 8, 2. That 8 makes this our 4. Can get rid of this 2. Oh. And this 5 makes this our 9, 5. 5 also makes this our 8. So now we can get rid of this 8, up, and we've got the 9 there now, so that makes this our 3. That 3 makes this our 8, 3, and that 8 makes this our 9. This 2 makes this our 5, 2. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. This box now, we're only missing a 1. And for this box, we're missing a 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.